Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to filter jobs by experience on Flexjobs. If you're looking for jobs that actually match your experience level, Flexjob makes it easy to find beginner, middle level or senior roles all in one place. Flexjob is a trusted job platform specializing in remote, hybrid, part-time and flexible jobs, and every listing is hand-screened to help you avoid scams. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to filter jobs by experience level on Flexjob using laptop step by step. First, what you have to do is you need to open your Google Chrome browser or any of the browser you prefer. And once you get into the browser interface, in the top there's a search bar. Type down flexjob.com and enter it. And make sure to log in with your email and password, and once you logged in you land into this dashboard or job search page over here. Over here what you can do is at the top there's a navigation bar. Select this option for the job search articles. Over here it will open the main job list. At the top you can see there's a search. Over here you can find a job. This opens the main job listing page where all available opportunities are shown. On the left hand side you'll see the different jobs as well for the remote, hybrid, flexible, and you can select these as well if you want jobs from remotely, hybrid or flexible jobs. And over here you can select experience level. You can choose the experience level that fits you best. Go to the advanced. Over here on the career level what you can do is you can select your entry level, experienced, manager, senior level manager. You can click on one or more option depending on what you're looking for, and as soon as you select an experience level, Flexjob automatically updates the result. Now you'll see jobs that match your selected experience, saving your time and effort. That is it. This is how you can filter jobs by experience on Flexjob. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.